Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our channel Rajesh Biology, and I am Rajesh MSc Zoology. Today, our topic is quiz on reproductive health. Okay, before going to start the quiz, let me know if our session is started or not, and if my voice is clear or not first. Yes. So, session is started. That's why there is a ad. Need it quick? Yes. So, my voice is also clear, I think. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll stop the fan, then it becomes more clear. Okay, sorry. Now, shall we start the session? Yeah, good evening, Dastagiri. Welcome back. Right. So, first question. Before going to the first question, I would like to introduce a new interesting fact about the bicycle. You may hear about the bicycle, the scientists Pierre and Ernest Michaud. These are the two scientists who invented the bicycle first. అకార్డింగ్ టు హిస్టరీ 1860s వాళ్ళు సైకిల్ని పెడల్ సైకిల్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు అని చెప్పేసి మనకి హిస్టరీలో ఉంటుంది ఎర్నెస్ట్ అండ్ పైరే. బట్ సమ్ హిస్టరీ తెలిసిన కొంతమంది ఓకే వాళ్ళు దీన్ని డిసగ్రీ చేస్తున్నారు. బికాస్ సైకిల్ అనేది వీళ్ళు ఇన్వెంట్ చేయడానికన్నా ముందు నుంచే ఉంది అని, 1860 కన్నా ముందే సైకిల్ అనేది ఉంది అని, అండ్ దాన్ని ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేసింది ఎర్నెస్ట్ మిషాస్ ఆర్ పైరే కాదని. దెర్ ఈజ్ ఏ లాఫో మెషిన్, ఇతని పేరు వచ్చేసి వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్, ఎస్, కార్ల్ డ్రయస్ వాన్ సార్బ్రన్. హీ ఈస్ ద సైంటిస్ట్ హూ ఇన్వెంటెడ్ ద లాఫ్ మెషిన్. లాఫ్ మెషిన్ అనేది సైకిల్ లానే ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ మేడ్ విత్ ద వుడ్తో ప్రిపేర్ చేసిన సైకిల్ అనమాట. కానీ దానికి పెడల్స్ ఉండవు. పెడల్స్ ఉన్నది ప్రిపేర్ చేసింది మాత్రం మనం అనుకుంటున్నట్టు పైరే అండ్ ఎర్నెస్ట్ మిషాస్. బట్ కార్ల్ డ్రైవిన్ ఓన్ దీనికి పెడల్స్ లేని సైకిల్, కంప్లీట్గా వుడ్తో తయారైన సైకిల్. ఇది ప్రిపేర్ చేసింది మాత్రం కార్ల్ డ్రైస్ ఓన్. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ 1818 అంటే 1860 అంటే దగ్గర దగ్గర 40 years కన్నా ముందే సైకిల్ అనేది ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ఉంది. కాకపోతే అది చెక్కతో ప్రిపేర్ అయింది, దీనికి పెడల్స్ ఉండవు. దాన్ని నడిపించేవారు, ఏదో ఇలా తోసుకుంటూ నడిపించేవారు. బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి పెడల్తో తయారు చేసిన సైకిల్ని పైరే అండ్ ఎర్నెస్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. నౌ కమ్ టు ద సబ్జెక్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ లేట్. ఎస్, 3 likes, 3 watching. Thank you so much. In that, one is me. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. చాలా గ్యాప్ తర్వాత కాబట్టి కొంచెం వ్యూస్ ఇలానే ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు కాలేజ్ టైం కూడా స్టార్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి, కాలేజెస్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాయి కాబట్టి నెవర్ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్ విత్ దిస్ వ్యూయర్స్. బట్ ట్రై టు ఇన్వైట్ ఆల్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దస్తగిరి అండ్ ద రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ who are there. Please invite all your friends. I too send a notification in our Telegram channel. Right. I just send the notification in Telegram channel also. Okay. So first question, give the right answer for this. Which of the following hormone releasing IUD? Hormone releasing IUD. I think you all are prepared for the reproductive health. Lipis loop, Lokesh. Lipis loop, hormone releasing IUD. It is not non-medicated IUD. Lipis loop is, I think, a non-medicated IUD. Copper 7, it is copper releasing IUD. First of all, IUD means Intra Uterine Device, and there is different types of IUDs are there. Hormone releasing IUD, example LNG20, and copper releasing IUDs, copper T, copper 7, multiload 375, and non-medicated IUD Lipis loop. Okay, Lokesh. So answer is LNG20. Second question, embryo with more than 16 blastomeres formed due to in vitro fertilization. Embryo with more than 16 blastomeres Formed in vitro fertilization. Formed in vitro fertilization is transferred into where? It is transferred to the uterus or fallopian tube or fimbriae or cervix. Where it will transfer? You have to underline the word 16 blastomers. More than 16 blastomers. So in vitro fertilization, after the embryo is transferred into the female reproductive tract, the female reproductive tract part is what? Uterus or fallopian tube, fimbriae, cervix, or something what? Lokesh and Dastagiri, try to invite all your friends to our live session. Let them participate in this. Please give the answer. Or can I reveal this answer? It is uterus. Very important, it is uterus. Yes. The very important thing is 8 cells are more than 8. The stage which is 8 or more than 8 cell stage always transfer to the uterus only. If it is zygote or early embryo means less than the 8 cell, that only transfer to the fallopian tube. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? Which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? Which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? Is it a trichomoniasis, encephalitis, syphilis, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is not sexually transmitted? Trichomoniasis, you may know that. So it is wrong. Trichomoniasis is a sexually transmitted disease. The right answer for this is encephalitis. Cephalitis. Brain. It is brain related. Encephalitis. Inflammation in the brain is called encephalitis, and that is the disease. Syphilis is sexually transmitted disease. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, it is nothing but AIDS. It is also STD. Okay. Right. Now come to the next question, fourth question. Which of the following viruses is not transferred through semen of an infected male? Through semen of infected male. Which of the following viruses? Chikungunya virus, Ebola virus, hepatitis virus B, hepatitis B virus, or human immunodeficiency virus? I think you already know, you all are know about the human immunodeficiency virus, which is causes AIDS, and it passes through the semen. So it is not a right answer. Right? Tell me, which virus? Chikungunya, or Ebola, or hepatitis B? You know, hepatitis is also STD, sexual transmitted disease. It is also STD. Ebola virus is not STD. Chikungunya is also not STD. So which of these two? No, Lokesh, it is not C. Ebola virus is also transferred through the semen, because Ebola virus transferred through body fluids, any body fluid. If it is blood or saliva or the semen, vaginal fluid, so it is also. The right answer is what? చికెన్ గున్యా. ఏదో మూవీలో ఉంటుంది, ఆకలేస్తుంది కానీ తినాలనిపించదు, దాహం వేస్తుంది కానీ తాగాలనిపించదు, దాన్ని ప్రేమ అంటారు. కాదు, ఇది చికెన్ గున్యా. It is chikungunya virus. It is transferred from one person to another person through mosquitoes. Okay. Fifth question. Fifth question. Which of the following is incorrect regarding vasectomy? Ectomy. Wherever you find the word tomy, cutting. Vasectomy, cutting of vas, vas difference. Which is the following is incorrect? Very, very important repetitive question. No sperm occurs in seminal fluid. Yes, it is correct. There is no sperm in the seminal fluid. But the question mentioned as incorrect statement. So it is not correct answer for this question. No sperm occurs in epididymis. Huh. Yes, it is correct. So it is not correct for this answer. So the right answer is what? There is no sperm because no sperm in epididymis. For example, if it is the testis, from the testis there is epididymis, and this epididymis there is vas deferens, and we cut the vas deferens at this site. At this site. So if we cut the epididymis here, sperm cells are present here. No problem with the sperm cells in the epididymis. Epididymis are not present here, but present up to here. So no sperm occurs in epididymis is the wrong statement and right answer for this question. Clear? Seminal fluid, yes, there is no sperm in the seminal fluid because sperm is not enter into this area, which is merged with the seminal vesicle. Okay, vasa difference is cut and tied. Yes, that is right. That is vasectomy. Reversibility is poor, very poor, not poor. It is very poor. Irreversible mainly. Sixth question. You can ask any questions if you have any doubts. A childless couple can be assisted to have a child through a technique called gift. What is meant by gift? The full form of this technique is what? Gamete internal fertilization and transfer, germ cell internal fallopian transfer, gamete inseminated fallopian transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Which is right one? For the sixth question. Oh, gamete. I'll give the clue. G for gamete. And I'll give another clue. T for transfer. Try to find out. IF. What is IF? Internal fertilization, internal fallopian, inseminated fallopian, intrafallopian. Okay, I'll reveal the another one also. F for fallopian. Gamete dash fallopian transfer. Gamete inseminated, gamete internal, gamete intra. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Sorry, it is not right answer. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Right? So I means intra. Intra ever answer shortly. Right. Question number 7. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device? Hormone releasing intrauterine device. Hey, it is a repetitive question. Repetitive question it is. Lokesh, are you there? Yes, it is a repetitive question. Which of the following is a hormone releasing intrauterine device? That is multiload 375 is copper releasing. LNG 20. This is hormone releasing. This is what? Hormone releasing IUD. Cervical cap and walls are not the IUDs. Okay, these are barrier methods. So the right answer is LNG 20. Next question, eighth question. The function of copper. The function of copper ions in copper releasing IUD is, copper T, Okay, it releases copper ions. What is the function of this copper ion in the uterine? What it will do? Why persons use copper releasing IUDs? How can it prevent the pregnancy? How copper prevent the pregnancy? Is they inhibit gametogenesis, or they make uterus unsuitable for implantation, or they inhibit the ovulation, or they suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperms. Okay, what you think about the copper ions in copper releasing IUDs? Okay, so I'm going to give the answer. Before that, let me check how many members have watched this uh, video. Okay, the right answer is D. They suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperm cells. Okay, right. Next question. Ninth question. In case of a couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? There is a couple. In that couple, male have very low sperm count. Sperm count is very very less. In this time, by which technique they will become parents? Okay, which technique help them to become parents? Gamete intrafallopian transfer, or artificial insemination, or intracytoplasmic injection, or both artificial insemination and ICSI. Which one? Which one? Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Yes, Lokesh, very good, excellent. Both artificial insemination and intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Okay, gamete intrafallopian transfer is not correct because here the problem with the male and that to have the low sperm count. Low sperm count, by artificial insemination we can send the sperms in a particular region, that is one thing, or we can inject the sperm cell in ova, that is artificial cytoplasmic sperm injection. So option D is the right answer. Next, 10th question. Very good, Lokesh. 10th question. Try to answer the next question. 10th question. Assisted reproductive technology, IVF, involves transfer of what? ART, art. In that, in vitro fertilization, IVF, involves what? Ovum into the fallopian tube? No, because in vitro fertilization, after fertilization, it is not ovum, it is zygote. So zygote into the fallopian tube or zygote into the uterus, embryo with 16 blastomeres into the fallopian tube, which one? I think at the beginning, at first question, I said that any embryo which more than 8 cell stage is placed in the uterus. So here it is 16 blastomers. So it is also wrong. 16 blastomers means we placed in the uterus, not in the fallopian tube. Okay. Less than the 8, we placed in the fallopian tube, not in the uterus. So this is also wrong. Zygote into fallopian tube, 16 blastomer cells into the uterus. This is the right actually. So the remaining thing, the right answer, computer G, on the screen please. Yes, zygote into the fallopian tube is the right answer for the question 10. Okay, right. The next question, 11th question, very interesting and question. Try to answer this if possible. One of the legal methods of birth control is. So many students are confused at this type of questions. Legal methods of birth control is. 90% students are failed to answer this type of questions. Try to prove as you are in the 10% by having coitus at the time of daybreak, by a premature ejaculation during coitus, abortion by taking an appropriate medicine, by abstaining from coitus from day 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle. I'll give 5 minutes time. Sorry, 5 seconds, 1 minute time. 618 is there. I'll reveal the answer at 619. Try to solve this question before that. Yeah, 5 members are watching. Please give the correct answer for this. By having coitus at the time of daybreak. A. Yes, very good, Saujanya, but you are wrong. Having coitus at the time of daybreak cannot control the birth. Daybreak means morning time, at early morning. That is called daybreak. Where the light comes at early morning, that time is called daybreak. If they have coitus at daytime, it never control the birth. There is a chances of fertilization at morning time. So that is wrong. Next, by a premature ejaculation during coitus, abortion by taking a appropriate medicine, which is legal. I mentioned. Saujanya again says D. Okay, by abstaining from the coitus from day 10 to the day 17 of menstrual cycle. Very good. Excellent. That is also no. This is right answer. Very good, Saujanya. Lokesh says C. No, it is wrong. Abortion is illegal. Abortion by taking appropriate medicine is okay. It can control the birth. It is birth control method, but that is illegal. It is not legal. It is illegal. Okay. Premature ejaculation. You already know this. Now the right answer is D. Very good, Saujanya. Now come to the 12th question. The stage transferred into the uterus after the induced fertilization of ovum in the laboratory is the stage transferred into the uterus after induced fertilization of ovum in the laboratory is, induced fertilization means in vitro fertilization, of ovum. Okay, the stage transferred into the uterus, we have to underline this uterus. Sir, screen is not clear. Yes, Saujanya, do one thing. Just click on your screen, and I think there is a setting option is there. Click on the settings, and in that quality, first you can observe the quality. If you click on that, there is 4 options: auto recommended, higher picture quality, data saver, advanced. You can enter into advanced. You can select any 480 or 720 360. You can select that, or otherwise high quality you can choose. Okay, or otherwise let me know. I'll read the options also. Stage transfer into the uterus after in vitro fertilization, induced fertilization of ovum in laboratory means IVF. ఐవీఎఫ్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇన్విట్రో ఫెర్టిలైజేషన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏ స్టేజ్ని యూట్రస్లోకి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాం మనం? ఎంబ్రియో at 4 blastomer stage, embryo at 2 blastomer stage, or morula, or zygote. Excellent, Lokesh. That is morula. I'm already said that 8 or more than 8. 8 or more than 8 only take into the uterus. Less than 8 ఉంటే దాన్ని fallopian tube లోకి తీసుకొస్తాం. Yeah, Asad Hameri, how are you? He is one of my students from Jahirabad. Right, Asad? Are you from RLR? So now come to here. Morula. Morula is the right answer. More than 8 is transferred into the uterus. Morula means 16 cell stage. So it is more than 8. Next, one of the following is not a method of contraception. Which one? Which of the following is not a method of contraception? Condoms, pills of combination of oxytocin and vasopressin, Lipis loop tubectomy, which is yes. Thank you, Asad. Why don't you invite your friends, Asad, into our live session? Asad Hameri, what are you doing now? Lokesh says B. Very good. No, Saujanya, lipis loop is a IUD. It is intrauterine device, non-medicated intrauterine device. IUD is a good contraceptive method. Okay, and the right answer is pills of combination of oxytocin and vasopressin. Actually, these are used to treat diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus. For that only we use the vasopressin, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Okay, but pills of combination of estrogen progesterone, that is uh, that is a contraceptive method. So the right answer is B. Very good. B pharmacy. Okay, which college? Asad. Very good. You are qualified the intermediate and you are joined as a pharmacist in B pharmacy college. And all the best. Shadan. Okay, Shadan. 14th question. Try to answer the 14th question, Asad. Which one of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India at present? Yeah, Saujanya, I think you are going to give the right answer for this. Which one of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India at present? The right answer is what? Asad Hameri says excellent. Asad, that is IUD, intrauterine device, that is the widely accepted. Yes. Again, Saujanya, why you say tubectomy? I just said lipis loop, it is the widely accepted. IUD. IUD is the intrauterine devices are the widely accepted in India and most acceptable with less side effects and reversible. That is the thing. Reversibility is there. Okay. If they don't want the contraception, if they want babies, they can remove. Reversibility is there. But tubectomy is not like that. Now come to this. Medical termination of pregnancy, MTP, is considered safe up to how many weeks? MTP is safe up to how many weeks? Uh, Try to mention the question number also. Now the comments have become more. So without any confusion, try to mention the question number as 15. Option A 15, B 15, C 15, D like that. No. MTP, medical termination of pregnancy means abortion. No? MTP means abortion. Okay. Abortion is good, considered safe up to how many weeks? Up to. That means you have to say maximum. ఫస్ట్ కదా అని చెప్పేసి లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఉంది 6 అని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడం కాదు. ఆర్ అంతకన్నా తక్కువ అయితే కనుక 6 కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాక్సిమం? 15A. Lokesh and Asad, everybody says as 8 weeks. Yes, Saujanya, excellent, very good. 12 weeks. First trimester అంటాం మనం. First trimester. First trimester means try means 3. Okay, every month have 4 weeks. Every month have 4 weeks. So 3 months. 3 into 4, 12 weeks. Okay, it is safe up to 12 weeks only. First trimester only. In 3 months only. First 3 months only. Okay, later it is dangerous to both child and mother. So the right answer is 12. 16th question. Saujanya, which college you are? Yes. Lokesh from where? A sexually transmitted disease symptomized by the development of chancre. Chancre. Chancre, it is the sore, painless sore. Chancre. Mary Stella College, Vijayawada. Okay. From Vijayawada, superb. Convey my wishes to Durgamma. Lokesh says B. Neisseria goneriae. Neisseria goneriae is related to, it is a gonorrhea disease that is related to the eyes, our child eyes and everything. Okay. Sore means if there is any organ, there is a sore on lips also. But it never give any pain. But it is a sore. Okay. So human immunodeficiency virus, no, wrong. It causes AIDS. Chancre means sore, painless sore. Okay, chancroid. That is caused by the Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum causes syphilis. This is the symptom of syphilis, Treponema pallidum. Okay, the right answer is what now? 16A. Okay, Treponema pallidum causes syphilis. Syphilis is means a painless source on different organs of the body. Lips or on the genitals or on different organs, syphilis that is. The sexually transmitted disease, 17th question. Sexually transmitted disease that can affect both male and female genitals, and may damage the eyes of babies born of infected mothers. I just discussed about this. You have to tell the correct answer for this question, or otherwise I feel very bad and sad. Chala bagodu. I just discussed the sexually transmitted disease that can affect both male and female genitals and may damage the eyes of babies born of infected mothers is from infected mothers. Babies also get this disease and their eyes become damaged. In which condition? AIDS, syphilis, gonorrhea, hepatitis. Again, Asad Hameri, no, it is wrong. It is not syphilis, it is gonorrhea. I just said that gonorrhea is there. Gonorrhea causes the damage to eyes of the babies. Baby eyes get damaged from the infected mother. That is gonorrhea. Yes, Saujanya. Next question. 18th question. Which of the following represents the correct match of sexually transmitted diseases with its pathogen? With its A. It is also very easy question. You have to say the right answer. We just discussed about this question. Asad Hameri, you also give the right answer for this question. And Lokesh and Saujanya, try to solve this question. Lokesh from which college? 18th question. Okay. I'm going to reveal the answer if you are not going to give the right answer. Soft sore. Okay, it is called crinoid. I just say that. Soft sore is caused by the syphilis. It is not by the Bacillus brevis. Bacillus brevis causes food poisoning. It causes food poisoning. Okay. Bacillus anthracis. Anthrax. వినే ఉంటారు. Anthrax cover. Okay. So erythritis is because of the bacterial infection or inflammation. Yes, Saujanya? No. Gonorrhea is not because of enterobistillatica. Gonorrhea is for Neisseria gonorrhea. And enterobistillatica causes amoeboiasis. ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ సిఫిలిస్, ట్రిపనోమా ప్యాలిడమ్. ఒకసారి మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. ట్రిపనోమా ప్యాలిడమ్, సిఫిలిస్. ట్రిపనోమా ప్యాలిడమ్ causes syphilis. Syphilis causes the soft sores. So this is the right answer. Which one right answer? 18th question, option A. Come to the 19th question without any late. The most important component of oral contraceptive pill is. Most important component of oral contraceptive pill. Hey, it is also discussed. We already discussed about this question. Repetitive questions వస్తున్నాయి, మనం ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్గా చేయట్లేదు. Oral contraceptive pill. Who are going to tell me the right answer? Who are going to supposed to impress me with the right answer for this question? Easiest question in the reproductive health chapter. Progesterone, estrogen, growth hormone, thyroxine, luteinizing hormone. Computer ji, can you say the right answer for this? Yes, very good computer. Progesterone and estrogen is the right answer. Next question, 20th question. The birth control device used by women is. Wow. The birth control device used by women is. Okay. Now the time is 6:34. I'll reveal the answer at 6:35. Yes, very good. Evergreen. The right answer. You give you the right answer. Really, you are evergreen. Okay, evergreen competitor for our YouTube sessions. D is the right answer. All of these. Diaphragm is used by the woman only. It is also control device. Vault is also control device. And copper T, it is IUD. It is also control device. All of these. Yes, 21st question. Try to answer this question. What is the work of copper T? What is the work of copper T? Is it inhibit the ovulation process, or is it inhibit the fertilization, or is it inhibit the implantation of the blastocyst, or it inhibit the gavetogenesis? Yes, Evergreen, I know that. I just remember you. And I forget your name. Evergreen. To inhibit fertilization, excellent, Saujanya. It never inhibits the ovulation process. It cannot inhibit the gavetogenesis. Okay, fertilization is inhibited, so there is no chance of blastocyst formation. The right answer is according to our Saujanya wish, that is to inhibit the fertilization. Yes, Harika. Welcome, Harika. Welcome back. Now come to the 22nd question. Thank you so much for your attending our YouTube session. 22nd question. Which of the following is not an intrauterine device? Which is not an intrauterine device? Harika, Saujanya, Asad Hameri. Hey, Asad Hameri, just say that intrauterine device means IUD. At first beginning the question, I just explained that Lipis loop is a non-medicated IUD, but it is a IUD, non-medicated IUD. So it is wrong. So the right answer is Evergreen, Asad Hameri, Saujanya. Yes, Norplant, perfect. Norplant is not a IUD. Norplant is a patch. Skin patches. It is a matchstick-like structures which placed under the skin of the hand, under the skin of the organs. Okay, a hand or arm, under the arm. These are skin patches. They are also called norplants. Progestasset, hormone releasing IUD. Multiload 375, copper releasing IUD. Lipis loop, non-medicated IUD. So the right answer is computer G. Yes, right. Saujanya, very good. 23rd question. Test tube baby. Test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Test tube baby program employs baby developed in the test tube. ఇది కరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ కాదు నిజానికి. జస్ట్ డ్రా ద test tube baby program employs which one of the following techniques? Zygote intrafallopian transfer, intrauterine insemination, gamete intrafallopian transfer, all of this. Yes, correct, evergreen. The right answer is zygote intrafallopian transfer. Test tube baby means we are taking the gamete out and we fertilize this in the laboratory and zygote is formed. This zygote is entered into the fallopian transfer. This is only. Intrauterine insemination means the artificial insemination in the uterus. So this is not a test tube baby process. Gamete intrafallopian transfer means before the fertilization gamete. So the right answer is Harika. You are right. Very good. Next, the question 24. In vitro fertilization is a technique. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves transfer of which one of the following into the fallopian tube. Every time it is asked in different manners. Very, very easy question. Very, very important question. Okay, most time repetitive question. In vitro fertilization technique that involves transfer of which one of the following into the fallopian tube. Embryo only up to 8 cell stage, either zygote or early embryo up to 8 cell stage, embryo of 32 cell stage or zygote only. Who are going to give the answer? They will crack the NEET examination definitely. Kalpana. Very good, Kalpana. Kalpana says A. Embryo only up to 8 cell stage. You are correct, Kalpana, but 50%. Zygote is also transferred into the fallopian tube only. Zygote is transferred into the fallopian tube or early embryo up to 8 cell stage into the fallopian tube. More than 8, that is to the uterus only. So the right answer is which one? But well tried, Kalpana. You will definitely crack the NEET examination. No problem with that. Okay. The right answer is either zygote or early embryo up to 8 cell stage. That is the right answer. Okay. 25th question. 25th question. Confirmatory test for STD is confirmatory test for STD, sexually transmitted disease. ELISA. ELISA means what? Enzyme linked immunosorbent SI. Enzyme linked immunosorbent S. Saujanya says D, all of these. Yes. By using ELISA, we can confirm the test for STDs. We can use the PCR to confirm. We can use the DNA hybridization also. So the right answer is Saujanya, very good. It is all of these. All are confirmatory tests. Yes, evergreen. Harika. Super. 26th question. Which one of the following groups includes sexually transmitted diseases caused by bacteria only? It is also a somewhat typical question. Try to solve this question. Syphilis is present in every option. So you already know syphilis is a bacterial disease. C. Gonorrhea, scabies. You know scabies means what? Scabies means it is because of mites, insect. Scabies is the insect, and this is caused by the that insect. Insect name I forget. Scabies means it eat the skin. It makes the skin more dry. That is scabies. It is caused by the mite. So C is wrong because scabies is not because of the bacteria. So the right answer is A. Very good, Saujanya. You are waiting, right, to say the right answer. You are waiting for the wrong answer. Syphilis is a bacteria, gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea is a bacteria, and conchroid, it is also a bacteria which is causes syphilis. Okay, right. Chancroid or conchroid. 27th question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an ideal contraceptive? Aha, very easy. No, no, it is easiest question. Not a characteristic of ideal contraceptive. What are the ideal contraceptive methods? Ideal contraceptive characters. Ideal contraceptive should be with yes. Ideal contraceptive should be user friendly. So it is not. Ideal contraceptive should be easily available. Ideal contraceptive should be less or no side effects. And ideal contraceptive should be reversible. But here you use the irreversible. So the right answer is B. Very good. Evergreen. And Hanka 3ABPA3 Hanka. Willam.ngo. Sorry, I can't understand the name also, not only the comment. Now come to the 28th question. In which of the following weeks of pregnancy CVS is done? CVS. CVS means what? Consumer value uh, supplier. Consumer value supply. No. Regarding to the biology, what is CVS? Korean villus sampling. Korean Chorionic villus sampling. Chorionic villus sampling. That means they take some amount of tissue, chorionic tissue. That means from the placenta. They take some amount of tissue from the placenta to detect some disorders. In at which week, at which time they do this type of no, Saujanya, they can't wait up to that time. The right answer is 8th to 10th week. Because after 12th week, it is not good to detect the diseases. They detect some genetical disorders or the baby condition, everything, the baby weight, sorry, not the weight, but the remaining health issues of the baby. అవి ముందు క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఐ కెప్ట్ సార్ అవి ముందు క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఐ కెప్ట్ I didn't understand, Harika. Okay, in an academy, when we met in an academy, you answered this. 29th. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? It is also very easy question. Jaundice, Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, color blindness. Which of the following diseases cannot be detected in amniocentesis? Yeah, Kalpana, actually genetic disorders we can detect. By amniocentesis, we detect genetic disorders, but by placenta, we can detect some conditions of the baby. Okay, not complete genetic disorders. Pathological conditions are baby growth, blood supply, these situations, these things. Yes, very good, Harika. Jaundice. We cannot detect the jaundice by the amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is to detect genetical disorders only. Last but not least, most important question, repetitive question, an interesting question. I think non-biological students also know the answer for this question. General members are also know this question because there is a popular ad for these pills. I pill or something, the pill name is there. For that, there is a popular ad which is published for 1 to 2 years at 20's time. That means at 2000 or 19, sorry, at the 2010 to 2015, at that time, the ad is more popular. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within. Yes, very good. In that ad, one friend calls to her friend and he says as about her coitus. And immediately she suggests a medicine that is pill. It should be take before 72 hours of the coitus. The right answer is 72 hours of coitus. Very good, excellent. Both Saujanya and Harika. So this is the last question. And thank you so much for attending the live session and make the session successful. Try to invite all your friends to our Telegram channel. Okay, in that I'll definitely update about our upcoming sessions, and we will provide tuitions, online tuitions for different subjects. You can fill all these details and send the email to this email ID. Okay, if we have any faculty availability, I will suggest that faculty to take the class. Okay, థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ నేను మీకు అనౌన్స్ చేస్తాను. టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో ఉంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. యూ కెన్ నో ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో ద ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఆల్సో. ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ మై నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్ డీటెయిల్స్ in Insta, Rajesh Biology, in Telegram, that is also Rajesh Biology. I'll try to update in YouTube also if there is time possibility, because I'm working in one college and this college timings are always changes from day to day, every day. So based on that only I can prepare a session, I can plan the session. Sir, MSET, tell me about MSET. What MSET ki how to study, కొంచెం tips చెప్తారా? Definitely, Harika, take the academic books. I think you are from AP or Telangana. Take the Telugu academic books. Of course, it is in English medium. That is, the book is academic book. Take the academic book, read line to line, and practice so many questions, multiple questions. Try to attend for every live session, which I conduct quiz. Okay. Thank you, Harika. I like the students who like the zoology. It is just like a triangle like. Which chapters? You can tell me the chapter names. I'll try to upload the chapters in our YouTube channel when I have free time. Mention the chapter names. Yes. You can send, if you have the Insta, you can send the message also. Yes. Right. Thank you. We will meet in the next session. Uh, yes, Harika. Sir, I want to join in our course. Definitely, but now I'm not conducting the any course, Saujanya. If I plan for any one course, uh, it is based on the timings only. నేను ప్రస్తుతం వర్క్ చేస్తున్న కాలేజీకి ఇంతకు ముందులా కోర్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసే టైమింగ్ ఉండదు, ఎందుకంటే ఈ కాలేజ్ అప్ టు నైట్ 10 o'clock. ఈ మధ్యలో ఎక్కడో 1 hour దొరుకుతుంది ఆర్ 2 hours దొరుకుతుంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఈ 2 hours ఇప్పుడు నాకు 6 to 7 ఫ్రీ అయ్యాను నేను. రేపు నేను 8 to 9 ఫ్రీ అవ్వచ్చు, ఆర్ 9 to 10 ఫ్రీ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఒక కోర్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసి ఆ టైం మేము కోర్స్ని పబ్లిష్ చేయడం కానీ, లేదంటే గూగుల్ మీట్లో మనం మీట్ అవ్వడం కానీ కొంచెం కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఓకే, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద మొబైల్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ సెండ్ యువర్ క్వరీస్ టు దట్ మొబైల్ నెంబర్. దట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. డూ వన్ థింగ్, కోర్స్ ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఇంతకుముందు అనౌన్స్ చేసినప్పుడు అందులో మొబైల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాను, ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ద మొబైల్ నెంబర్ నౌ. జస్ట్ వెయిట్ 1 minute. I will write my mobile number here, and you can note down and you can send your queries to that. That is 6281901835. This is our official mobile number, 6281901835. You can send your queries to this mobile number, and I'll respond to that when I have the free time. Okay, right. But only WhatsApp. It is not working for mobile. I'm not going to collect the call because I'm in the classroom. Okay, I'm already told you morning 8 to night 10 o'clock I have the college, so try to send only message, don't call to this number, only WhatsApp, right? Okay, can I end the session now, everybody? Right. Thank you. Thank you for attending and make the session successful. Have a nice day.